Hello, welcome to Theme Pico. Today I show you how to custom made photo wallpaper automated generate. This is a cool plugin to automate your customer generate a photo wallpaper according to their need. How to work this plugin? You can see here. If you need this area, then user can easily do that. Also, if you need here only this thing you need to print this, then you can do that. Flip horizontal. It is totally flexible for user need. Also, you can change value here to increase your size. Then you can choose the material. Which material you can choose this material price with price, combine the final price. After that you add it to cart. Alright, here you can see a button view cart, download design. You made it this design and download. We just click the download. Then we can see which image generate for me. You can see this is the full automated process. So get started the video. First thing first, we need to install the plugin. I'm already WordPress admin area. Already I'm set up the WooCommerce plugin. So I need to install the plugin. I'm just click the plugin area. After that, add new plugin. Then upload plugin. Then choose the directory. My plugin source. Normally you can get a download package. After that, download package inside. You find the plugin zip file. Then you need to click this plugin. The name is TP product option. After that, open. Then install. So plugin install, I'm just activated the plugin. Then I'm going to direct WooCommerce product area. So I'm click here. Already created a product. It is a simple product. You can see this is the WooCommerce normal product. So first of all, you need to set up a product. Normal product. After that, you can find a option. When the active this plugin, then you get a option paper print. You need to just click here. After that, you can find lot of option. Paper width. That means this one is this one. Minimum width, then maximum width, then per square meter pricing. Same to height, then material name, price. Also you can remove and add new material. After that you can see here the price calculation. Then notification text and tooltip. This one I can example the font in area how to show it. This is a width, minimum width, maximum width, the backend area. If you write 800, you get the error here because we set the value. You can see here the notification. This icon is disappeared. Here the tooltip icon, icon instruction here little bit. Then material. This material include page sustainable. Click here, you can see price is increased. That means is a material has a different price. You can see pre-added those value. You can choose according to your material price. Also you can calculate this price, this price, this price, and this price. How to calculate this? Default it is calculate material price with first of all width and height multiply, then price multiply, then material multiply. This is a default structure for calculation. If you need any other calculation like price, you can see product price here, just copy and paste here. This is the calculation work this way, this value. I'm just remove this. I want to this type configuration. After that, I'm changing the non-oven printing. If you not offer the value, the printing my store, like if you write here 700, you cannot, because it is get a error. You need to fix first, then you can do that. So I'm just 800, 80, then 200, then try to add a card. Price is automatic calculate. If your shop area has a VAT, then it is automatically working here. The VAT include VAT or something other. Proper way all are configured. After that, I can see here the view cart area. This product also download design. I'm just click to view cart. After cart loading, you can see here my configuration with 80, height 200, then material non-oven. So those are setting WooCommerce default. All are working for default setting. Then I'm just checkout area, palace order. When user a palace order, user can see as well the which design this user generated. Also download file here. So I'm going to admin area. This order how to make it. You can now see here 1 minute ago. I'm just click. You can see here also admin also download this image for printing purpose or something other. Also material, those type material you can see here. Now I'm going to again my account area goes to, because this is the user account. How was look this order? You can see here order. Then just now 83 is order. Just view. You can see user can download their design here easily. So click here, then download. We generated. If your image is high resolution, then it is a lot more resolution coming. Generated image also user can get their mail. This is a very simple. If you now think your shop need to more option, we can inform us any customization need. I can help you. This module totally developed by React and WordPress REST API. If you have any question, just inform me, comment below. Thank you so much.